Calendar is another handy tool Contractor Pro offers to view and manage appointments. To use Calendar, you can simply click the Calendar menu at the bottom. On the Calendar page, you can view your appointments in daily, weekly, or monthly view. Calendar page offers easy navigation to any date or date range you want to view. On each view, you can click the Today button to go to view containing today's date. If you want to go to a specific day, you can either select a specific date on the daily view or click the specific date on the weekly view or monthly view. You can click the schedule appointments on the calendar to view the details of one specific appointment. You can also easily schedule the appointments on the calendar page. On the daily view, click the time that you want to start with the appointment and add appointment details page will show. The end time will automatically be filled according to the default appointment length you set up. Please refer to user profile to set up or modify the default appointment length. You can also change start time, end time, start date, and end date if you want. If you click all day box, you are creating an all day appointment. On the weekly view, you can click on any specific time of the day as the start time of your appointment. Again, the end time of the appointment is pre-populated for your convenience. Same as the daily view, if you click inside the all day box, you are creating an all day appointment for that day. On the monthly view, after you click a specific date, an all day appointment details page will pop up. Again, you can still change the date and time when needed. Now you can start to create your appointment. Be sure to check out our Create Appointments tutorial video.